A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is beautiful.
Hilarious.
Are you fucking kidding
Sleeping
me?
on the
You have 2 fucking nuts!
I'm sorry, I blanked out there.
Yeah, just check out my new car. It's sick as fuck. Look at this new shit. Super fast.
Monkeys don't fucking drive, you retard. Get out!
What the fuck? That was
God!
awesome. That was fucking awesome.
I love how he just crashes right into the side of the parking lot too. Fucking pig drives off with the Lamborghini.
Dude, climb up the suicide doors before they close them.
There it is.
It's my car. This is better than 1, 2, 3 playground stretch.
Oh my god. Oh shit! I'm stuck!
Why are we so amused by this?
These are my friends, people. Why don't we all give them a nice round of applause here? Way to make good use of this new Lambo, guys. Good job. Monkeys! Freeze! Put your hands up!
I didn't do anything.
Put your hands up!
Okay, man. Okay, don't do anything crazy, okay?
Put your hands where I can see them.
I did. Look,
Hands where we can see them!
Look, they're right here.
Put them higher!
Stop shaking your hands.
Yeah,
Stop it.
Stop shaking your hands.
I will blow your fucking brains out if you don't stop fidgeting!
Look,
Give us the money.
Oh shit, give us the money.
Evan, you put in a bedroom for me? Oh man.
Yeah, that's just for you, man.
Thanos, I didn't know you had an exotic monkey. Fucking awesome.
Yeah, man, he's my pet monkey.
What does he do? Does he do any tricks? This is like the monkey exhibit.
Alright, we're good to go, Delirious. We're good to go. Thumbs up.
Superman mobile activated.
Dude, I have a long thumb. Holy shit. Look at the size of my thumb, Delirious.
Where you gonna put that thumb at? Huh?
Why is it so long?
I don't know, man. It's like an
And look at
index
your
finger
wrist.
sticking out of the side of my
Looking at
hand.
the wrist, your wrist is broken.
The more I stare at it, the weirder it looks.
Quit looking at the thumb. If your hands, feet, and other weird long appendages such as thumbs